Setting up calendar invites are horrible. This agent will allow you to chat with it and it will set up calendar invites for you. No more going through your calendar trying to figure out who to add, who to remove, what time was it, is there a title, I set it on the wrong day. This agent will handle it all for you. This is another thing that you can automate and get more time back. Let's get to it. Learning this stuff alone is tough. That's why I created a private community where you can get answers, share your wins, and connect with people on the same journey. Join us. The link is in the description. I'll see you inside. First node we will add is the agent, and here it is triggered by the chat. We will add a chat model, and you can add whatever model you want. I'm going to use 4.1 mini. This is the LLM that is running the model. You have memory options. We're going to go with simple memory. We'll leave this as stock. And now for the tool, you can just search calendar and you have Google Calendar here. So what can we do? If we click the drop down here for the operation, you want to go ahead and connect your Google Calendar API. You can find another video on the channel to do that. You can create, delete. Get will pull your calendar events for the model to go through, update an event, and you can have some custom API calls. Imagine you need to create an event. You just talk to your chatbot and say, hey, create an event, I have a meeting, add these 3 people, and send the invite for this date. You never even opened any app associated with these. So it just gives you so much flexibility, so much faster. So calendar, we will go ahead to set to create. And it's got my email here. So all the calendar events associated with this email address. I'm going to leave this as default, but we can add some customization for other options. So if we click plus here, we go to calendar. Again, we can do delete an event. So I will defer this to the model. So clicking this, it gives the model the ability to go through and find the calendar events that I'm talking about when I tell it to do something. And the other tool will add the calendar again. And for this, we can do update an event. Again, defer to the model, right? So I'll just, by clicking this button, the model will define it. And there we are. So baseline, you chat with this agent. It uses OpenAI 4.1 mini. It can create an event for you, delete an event for you, or update an event for you. And we'll also add this option, which is to retrieve events. You want to be mindful if you have a really booked calendar, how many events you're retrieving as you engage the model, because those instances add up. So I'm just going to leave it at 5 for the test. And here we are. This model can do what I dread doing, is going into Google Calendar and creating events and dealing with any of that. So we can go ahead and chat with the model. And one thing that we'll do here is say, sorry, we did not drop down here from the calendar. We want it from my calendar. All right. So there we are. So create an event for Sunday as a reminder to call Mike. All right. So we click send. This is completed. So now if I go check my calendar, I should have an event there for Sunday, August 3rd. And quick pause. If this video is remotely helpful, hit the subscribe button and we'll level up together. Here we are. There is an event called Mike at 8 p.m. I never had to open up a calendar. I didn't have to do anything. I literally talked to my chatbot and it completed the request for me. And that's it. So we took less than 5 minutes. We were able to set up an AI agent that has control of our calendar. So we can literally talk to it, have it create events, invite attendees, delete events, update events without ever having to open up your calendar or go in there. It just adds so much more efficiency to your life, and I hope you found it useful. I hope you incorporate it, and I'll see you in the next one.